What's up, my Diamond Block? It's here, Brian here from Diamond Studios. Welcome to another video. This isn't really a special video. So my last video that I uploaded is called Something Very Weird Happened. Read description. So guys, I gotta do something. Okay guys, I have a new... Okay guys, so I'm going to put the video in this section of the Discord server. Who can explain this? So guys, basically, this is the part of the Discord server where you will try to explain theories of what this is. So guys, let me play this video for you, just so you know what happened. Okay guys, so something very weird happened this morning. So I was going to make me and my mom some breakfast, and then I had to... By the way guys, the breakfast that me and my mom had was cereal. I have Peeps cereal, and my mom had a mixture of my Captain Crunch and her Cocoa Puffs. But it's all good. You know, that's what cereal's about. It's about sharing. Anyway, guys. Sneeze. So yes, I had to sneeze, so you'll just see what happened. So I went like this, but instead of a sneeze coming out, I started hurting all around. My chest, my sides, my back, all of it was hurting. At first, it was only that. Then it got a lot worse. After this, I tried to name the list in order of which things happened, but I can't do it because it all happened so fast. Also, there's another thing I got to add, that I have to add to it. Or should I say weird? So I think this is the order this is the order of the events. So first, I fail at naming you the order of events because it just happened so fast. It happened within at least a minute, I'd say. Head also started hurting. No, actually, my vision got blurry and I got lightheaded. And I had this ringing in my ears, and I felt like I was gonna get sick. Okay, this isn't really the exact order because I don't remember. I just remember it all happening so fast. So yeah, I felt like I was gonna get sick. My head was hurting, but not like headache hurting, like the same pain that my back had hurting. Yeah, my ears were ringing, so I could barely hear anything except myself. I felt like I was gonna get sick. Okay guys, at some point I'm gonna have to number off the things that happened. And in total there were actually 8 things that happened because I forgot to include the last one. It was like right after this whole thing was over. It's very, very hot. Like, I was burning up. Felt like I was getting ready to spontaneously combust or something. So let's see. High body temperature. Head hurting. Ear ringing. Feel like I'm gonna get sick. Felt like I was gonna get sick. Back, sides, and chest hurting. And blurry vision and lightheadedness. Also, another thing, after the whole thing was over, I saw 2 yellowish, orangish lights, as if fireflies were flying right in front of my face, like tiny ones. But I knew that wasn't possible because we don't have anything, we don't have any fireflies in our house. The smallest bugs we have in our house are gnats, and they are annoying, so that's why we are using some apple cider stuff to try to get rid of them. So that's 7 things. So if you guys can identify this, then let me know. I will see you guys on the first. Hey guys, so I put the description of my video in there and then remove all the stuff. Seeing yellow fish. Right at the end. So I put my description, my video description. Wow, there's more things this time. So there's this. Okay. That's the kind of thing that I've heard of before, like when you'll stand up really fast and you'll get dizzy. I've heard that happen before. Okay, well, I'll look at this, but I probably don't have any diseases. Yeah, I didn't lose any functions. Everything just started hurting. My heart rate wasn't really fast. It was normal speed. Okay. I did not have pain in my left arm. So guys, I did not. All of these things that I'm reading about, only a few things happened. Not everything happened. So if I could find something that was exactly like that, then I could identify it. But I can't find anything like it, so I'm gonna call it the false sneeze effect. So yeah, guys, we got a name for it. The false sneeze effect. But if you find a real name for it, then let me know. I will see you guys on the flip side of the Try to Goodbye.